Yep. So I know this idea isn't in any way original, but I wanted to give my own take on it. So this is based on the videos of every EMD locomotive described in 10 words or less, as well as other variants of that idea. So I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get right into it. Slave your life away for Warren Buffett. Making SB foamers cry since 1996. YN3 is boring, and so are the sticker units. High hood fetishists, or at least they used to be. Your time has come. You want to be CN so bad, it's hilarious. Centralia is a Dash 8 graveyard. Go look at it. I never knew Canadian Pacific was into puppetry. Transcontinental electrification. Kinda. Actually, just in the Northwest. The backbone of Mid-America. Please save us. Now these guys had a high hood thing. The BN SD40-2s are still among America's most recognizable diesels. War Bonnet is overrated. General SD45's last stand, just like Custer, it failed. Got big so fast and got bought equally as fast. What is money? Good. Electrified, better. God is dead, and we killed him. Peak, but for the Alan Fisher reasons instead of foamers. Imagine the timeline where C&W did merge with the Milwaukee. I don't know, I just think the name sounds cool. I heard you like Alcos. You named yourself after a dead airline. Cry harder. They're dead, and they're gonna stay dead. What? It's okay. I remember you. I like cats. Interesting colors, by the way. So much missed potential. I love you. Please get good. When your trains more frequently, or I will harm you. At least you're not SEPTA. At least you're not Mark. Why are you the way that you are? Hey yo, why he purple? Did you know that Utah has a commuter rail line?